Hi, lovelies. It's nice to see you. I just wanted to say hello and wish you a very happy March. It's St. Patrick's Day today, and I just gave my first public speech in I don't know how long at the Inspirational Women in Literature Conference hosted by the And I Thought ladies in Sacramento, California, and I attended virtually, and it was such a great experience to be able to share the impact of words and how they really influence us, even unbeknownst to us. Of course, as many of you know who have taken my classes or have taken retreats with me, language is a big part of my yoga teaching and does play a role in how yoga influences my daily practice. And so I just wanted to say hello and share that with you guys, and also let you know that I have a couple of retreats coming up in 2018. A few of you have already signed up for Cultivating the Wild Within retreat. This is happening Memorial Day weekend in May 25th through May 28th. And I am hosting this for Reiki Master Amy Arez of Suji Health. She's going to be here initiating for Reiki 1 and teaching about the lineage and the history of Reiki and how we can use Reiki to cultivate the wild within, meaning how to tame and work with all of those energies in life that can be overwhelming and can stifle us. There are ways, there are tools we can use in order to strengthen ourselves and to work through these idiosyncrasies with grace. So we'll be working together. There will be Tai Chi, yoga, farm-to-table food with the Reiki, and of course camaraderie and lots of fun and laughs. And then in September, I'm happy to announce my second annual Soul Candy Retreat, Yoga Retreat, in which we will be exploring the wilds of nature and their impact on us and playing with nature, literally in nature. We'll be taking some lava cave tours and we'll be walking in the Deschutes National Forest right around the perimeter, having some fun, just engaging with nature and using yoga as a communication form for that. So anyhow, that will be September 12th through September 16th. So those are the things we have going on this year so far. And keep your eyes peeled. I'm going to be offering some complimentary classes online one-on-one. I want to expand my offering, especially to those of you that are in California, and I came up here to Oregon, so I wanted to be able to offer some fun and unique experiences for us all. So keep your eyes peeled for some of those opportunities. And of course, I'm still extending the Reiki to you. So if you or anyone you know would like a little additional support, need some Reiki, I'm offering distance Reiki 20-minute treatments. Just go ahead and email me at andrea@vitalityyoga.us and title it Reiki Please and let me know what it is you need, and I'd be happy to send some Reiki your way. In any case, it is a beautiful cloudy day here in Oregon, and I'm getting ready to go to a dinner. So thank you so much. I appreciate all of your support, and I'm looking forward to seeing a lot of you this coming May and September. If you have any questions, you know where to find me.